MCA loans. All right, guys, MCA loans are short-term loans, high interest loans, okay? Now, these loans are for anybody over a 550 credit score. You got to be in business for at least 6 months. So if you need cash now, right away, and you have a great credit score and you don't mind paying a short-term loan or high interest, then this loan is for you. But if you're somebody who has some credit challenges and you have under a 700 credit score, then this is pretty much the only loan for you. Okay, so an MCA loan, all you need is to be in business for at least 6 months. You need 4 months of business bank statements to get started. And then once the underwriting sees your revenue, okay, and they see your gross and they see your net, okay, then they're going to approve you for X amount. All right. At that point, they'll make an offer to you, and then you say yes or no to that offer. But typically, those offers will be a year or less, and the interest rate will be high. Now, they don't go by interest rates on MCA loans. They go by what's called a factor rate. And usually those factor rates start at a 1.20 and go all the way up to a 1.49. Now, all you got to do here is to see how much you need to pay back, is take that principal amount that they're going to be lending you, multiply it by the factor rate that the lender is giving you, and then that tells you exactly how much you're going to pay back. So you're going to get the principal and the interest in that math right there. So let's say you are borrowing $50,000 and the lender gives you a factor rate of a 1.35. All you do is take that $50,000, multiply it by a 1.35, and that is the exact amount that you're going to be paying back. Now, another thing on MCA loans is the payments aren't monthly payments like a traditional loan. They're going to be daily payments or weekly payments. Some lenders will do bi-weekly. Rarely do they do that, okay? So be ready to do a daily payment, and that's business days. They don't take out on weekends. So you be ready to have daily payments taken out of your account, okay? And be ready to be ready that that loan is going to be less than a year, okay? It's not a traditional like a 5-year loan, okay? That's a traditional business loan, or an SBA loan, which is a 10-year loan. All right. So these are aggressive loans, but keep in mind that these loans, one, they do not go on your credit score, okay? And two, they're giving you these funds the same day, typically the same day. So MCAs will close out within 24 hours. If you have all your paperwork correct, that loan is going to close out either 24 hours and sometimes same day. So from application to closeout, it could be same day. All right, so let's go over it one more time. MCA loans, what do you need? You need to be in business for 6 months or more, okay? You need to have a business bank account. You cannot claim bankruptcy in the last 2 years, all right? And you have to have revenue typically over $20,000 per month. Now that's gross, that's not net, all right? So each lender is different, but you only need a 550 credit score, limited time in business, 6 months, business bank statements, fill out the application, and then you'll be on your way to getting an MCA loan.